Are you wondering how to lose body fat effectively and embrace your feminine physique? Well, you're not alone. It's a curiosity many share, often clouded by common misconceptions. It's crucial to understand that every woman's body is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. And here's a hint. The answer lies in sustainable secrets, not quick fixes. So, stay tuned as we unravel the sustainable secrets for women's body fat loss. Ready to uncover the sustainable secrets for women's body fat loss? Well, you're in the right place. Let's delve into the mystery that is the feminine physique. The first secret is a balanced diet. We're not talking about extreme dieting or starving yourself. No, we're talking about nourishing your body with the right kind of fuel. Proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats should be your best friends. These nutrient-dense foods will keep you satiated, energized, and help your body burn fat more efficiently. The second secret is regular exercise. And not just cardio, ladies. Strength training is equally important. It helps build lean muscle, which in turn boosts your metabolism and aids in fat loss. The third secret might surprise you. It's quality sleep. Yes, a good night's rest is crucial for body fat loss. It helps regulate hormones that control appetite and metabolism, so don't skimp on your beauty sleep. Now let's debunk a popular myth. Rapid weight loss is not sustainable or healthy. Our bodies are not designed for quick fixes. Instead, embrace the journey and remember that persistence and patience are key. And another thing, don't fall for the trap of comparing your body to others. Every woman is unique, and so is her journey to a healthier body. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution, but these secrets will surely help you on your journey. Now that you've learned the secrets, are you ready to embrace your feminine physique? It's time to celebrate your body's uniqueness, its curves, and all its beautiful intricacies. Remember, every woman's body is diverse, each one a work of art, each one beautiful in its own way, so let's not compare, but rather let's cherish our own individuality. It's not about the perfect body, it's about your body, your health, your happiness. So here's to you, to us, to women everywhere. Embrace your physique, it's the only one you've got. The journey to body fat loss starts with a single step. Are you ready to take yours? Today is the day you choose to step forward, to uncover those sustainable secrets and embrace your feminine physique. Remember, this isn't about a quick fix, but a lifelong journey of health and well-being. So why wait? The secrets have been unraveled. The path is clear. Start your journey towards body fat loss today. Remember, you are beautiful, strong, and capable of achieving your goals.